Hi guys, welcome to Veurink's RV Center, where we've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough video of our 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH. This is a pre-owned coach, has a lot of nice features that we're going to be going over interior and exterior wise. At any time you have questions, please feel free to give me a call or stop in on the dealership. We are in Grand Rapids, Michigan on South Division Street. Let's get on with the show. So starting on the interior, this layout is going to offer 4 slides and a really awesome bathroom and bedroom setup too, which we'll get to here in a little bit. We're going to start up front and start with our 2 slides up here. We're going to start on the off-door side, which is going to feature your swivel rocker recliner chair, and then your 4-seat sofa here, which will have a bed underneath it. So if you do need some extra sleeping space, this is flex steel furniture that Tiffins use in their coaches. Very well built and constructed coaches from Tiffin. We're going to have a lot of storage up here above our seating area with all real hardwood, whether it's the cabinet door or your styles. Nothing is wrapped. It's gonna be all real hardwood for you. Some great windows there with your shades. You're gonna have the day and the night shades as well, so if you wanna block out the sun completely, or you just wanna take a little bit of that light off, you can do that too. Really well built balances with the Tiffin logo here as well. Very easy viewing of the entertainment center here with some nice backlighting behind your TV. You will have a fireplace down here as well, so you can put out some heat if you'd like, or you can just put it on for show. On the other side across from that, we're gonna have our dinette area, which you have 2 foldable chairs in the back, but we're gonna have a lot of nice countertop space here. So if you have your home away from home office or your work on the road, you're gonna have plenty of space. You will have a little flip down kind of computer section here if you wanted to do that. And we're actually gonna have a tower, which is gonna have your 2 outlets and then your USB ports as well. Nice TV, or nice window there though, with the shades again, so you have a nice view if you are working or if you're having some breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And a lot of storage up top here as well. You're gonna find storage everywhere in this coach, whether it's inside or out. So here in the kitchen area of the 40AH Phaeton, there's a lot to like about this kitchen. We're gonna start up top and then I'll work our way down. You're gonna have a nice cabinet here with a little pull-out tray and a shelf above that is adjustable too. And then we're gonna have our convection microwave here, stainless steel, plenty of room in there to do all your cooking and bags, popcorn, whatnot, heating up leftovers. Then here we're gonna have, again, another slide-out drawer with a shelf above it. Tiffin loves to have their drawers inside their cabinets. It's a really cool idea. And then we're gonna have just a cabinet here with an adjustable shelf too. No pull-out drawer on this one, but you do have it on those 2. And down here, a couple of hidden drawers here. If our producer Molly could come on over and take a look at that. And then we're gonna have 3 drawers there with a little silverware cut out down beneath there. I don't know if you can see that. So you can kind of organize what you'd like to do. Plenty of countertop space. 3 different outlets along the backsplash too, so you're not short on outlets at all. Down here, we're gonna have just a nice open spot for whatever you like. A couple cutouts here, as we have our double bowl sink with our sink covers. So you have a spot to put those when you're not needing them or when you're stopped and doing everything that you are. And then we're gonna have our induction cooktop here as well with our solid surface cover. Easy to put back, so that'll be an induction electric cooktop for you. Down here we're gonna have 2 drawers. And then here you're actually gonna have a pull-out wastebasket already there for you, so you don't have to worry about where you're gonna put that. A lot of well thought out plans here in this floor plan that Tiffin gives you. And then you're gonna have a nice pull-out drawer down here too for all your pots and pans. And then just in case you need more countertop space, you do have an extension here. And this is actually gonna be 3 drawers as well, all full extension. So you're not shorted on kitchen storage or kitchen space at all. You have plenty of room for everything you're gonna be needing to bring with you. Kind of plan out where you wanna put everything. Like I said, 3 outlets back here, all solid surface countertops, very, very well built, very solid. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So moving on back to the bathroom, which we'll look at in just a second, I forgot to touch on your refrigerator and actually another storage spot back here. This is gonna be a Whirlpool residential fridge for you. Plenty of space in here with an ice maker and a water dispenser. And then you're gonna have drawers down here too in your freezer. So a ton of space, plenty of room to bring everything that you want with you on that. And then Tiffin actually does not stop with the storage and gives you even more pantry space with a pull-out drawer down here. And then pull out down here too. So plenty of shelves there for spice rack, pantry, whatever you'd like to put in there. And then we're gonna have our bathroom, which is one of my favorite parts of this floor plan. Walking on in, you're gonna notice you have an entrance to the bathroom there and here. and entrance to the bedroom over there too. But this is absolutely a phenomenal bathroom. A ton of space to move around, ton of storage as well. A couple of shelf up here, little towel rack here, and then we're gonna have double vanity with storage above and below. Three drawers here, little shelf here, and another drawer down there, and then another section here. Plenty of space to put everything, toothbrushes and whatnot. And then we're gonna have our shower, which is gonna be a one-piece fiberglass shower. Plenty of space to move around in there. Two different faucet heads, if you want more of like a raindrop kind of style, or you just want the standard. So here, before we step into the bedroom, I want to point out your multiplex panel. This is an all-electric coach, and it is equipped with a 450D aqua hot system, which is a hydronic heating system. For more questions on that, and if you're not familiar with the aqua hot, please feel free to give me a call. Basically what that means is that this is going to be an all-electric coach. There's no propane at all. So what your multiplex panel here is going to do is basically, instead of having the old toggle switches or rocket switches that you turn on and off, you're going to have spots where you have light master on, light master off switch. And I'll show you another panel once we get back to the bedroom. But basically your main panels here, this is going to be your tank control system. So fresh gray and black. You can do your water heater, you can do, or sorry, your water pump and your water heater, and then your engine preheat and everything. But this is also going to allow you to do lighting for outside, interior. You can do all that. You're going to be able to control your fans. You're going to be able to control your rear slides here. I'll show you where your main slides for up front are in a minute. And then you're also going to have an in-floor heating system with this as well. So you can, if you like to wake up to some toasty floors, you can do that too. And then you can actually set them on a timer. So if you want to wake up at 8 o'clock and have the floors heated, you can do that as well. But a really nice feature, really easy making it easy to turn lights on and off for you, and just taking control of everything too. So back here in the master bedroom, this is extremely well laid out with, again, a lot of storage, just like you saw in the front part of the coach. Here on our door side, we're gonna have our bed slide with a lot of storage above, deep cabinets, 4 doors there, and then we're gonna have nightstands on both sides with outlets and actually 2 USB ports right below the shelves there. And then you're actually gonna have, you have one spot there, but on the other side you have the same little storage spot if you wanna put anything in there too. You're gonna have his and her reading lights that you can turn on and off as well. You can have a ceiling fan here for a residential feel, or if you like sleeping with a fan on at night. Across from that, we're gonna have our 4th slide, which is gonna start here, and is actually gonna be a part of the bathroom too. Your dual vanities will slide out with this. You're gonna have our LG TV, DVD player down here, and a lot of drawers. One cool thing is they give you kind of a little laundry chute, so if you want to put your hamper in there, throw your clothes in, and then wash them whenever you need to. But then we're gonna have drawers here, and then some cabinets up here too, which is actually really good depth. So you have plenty of space there. Towards the back, we're gonna have our walk-in closet, which I'm actually gonna step out of the way here, so you can see that. On the left as you walk in, you're gonna have your stackable washer and dryer set up, and then you're gonna have hanging bar all the way across the back, a little shelf there. Down there in those cabinets, you are gonna have your control panels and whatnot, but then you're gonna have your hanging bar all the way across. And then on the right, it's actually a really cool kind of setup here, where you're gonna have these baskets and then a couple of drawers up top, and then you're gonna have 4 drawers down below that too. So here in the dash area, Tiffin does a really nice job of setting this up for you, making it easy to use, easy to reach, really everything. This coach is gonna have just under 11,000 miles on it. One thing in particular I wanna talk about is gonna be your camera setup and your radio setup here. So usually you're gonna have your camera set up here and then your radio on the other side of it. Tiffin allows you to have it here. Very easy visibility for the driver, but also visibility for the passenger too, so they can help out when you're making those turns, changing lanes, especially if you're in like a residential area. This is gonna have rear and side view cameras for you. So as soon as you hit your left one, it's actually gonna show both, still your rear and your right. And then as soon as you flip it off, it's gonna delay a second, and then it should kick right back to your rear. And then as soon as you hit your right, it's gonna do the same thing. So when you go to your right, it's just gonna do left and right. And not the rear, which is pretty cool. So it's gonna keep you safe, gonna keep people around you safe, and just make it, peace of mind kind of thing for you there. You're gonna have your nightshade and your solar shade up here. You're gonna have your driver fan here. You can also do the step cover for your passenger if you'd like to. Easy accessibility for everything. You're gonna have a nice little drawer here for where you want to put their cup holder here, and actually a cup holder down here as well, which might be a little tough to see right now, but very easy to reach everything. You're gonna have your drive, neutral, and reverse control here, your leveling systems over here too, And then you have your exhaust brake and your parking brake and everything right here. Smart wheel with your windshield wiper controls, your cruise control, and then your brights, and then your ICC lights as well. So here on the exterior, underneath your patio awning, I want to start here. This awning does come out a lot further. It's a little windy here today in Grand Rapids, so we didn't want to put it out all the way. It is going to have a pitch for you, so it is going to be on a slant, so it's going to take away some of that sun for you, give you a little bit of shade. Also help with water runoff though, so if a rain shower pops up out of nowhere, water's going to be running off it instead of staying on top of it. You do have a entry door awning as well, so you got two of them there. I also want to show you the pass-through storage underneath. They do a really good job with this. One thing I was mostly impressed with is Tiffin's baggage doors. These things are absolutely well built, and they are bricks. They're super thick, they're insulated, and the latches and everything are top of the line. You're gonna have two pass-through storage trays here, one in each compartment. Those are gonna be the full length, so those are gonna slide out either side of the coach. So you can kind of plan out where you wanna put stuff. If you need to get on the other side and grab that, it'll slide out. These are very easy to use. Basically, you just pull up on that little yellow lever. It's gonna slide on out for you. I mean, look how easy that is. Just grab things, put things in, you kind of plan where you want to put everything. This will do that exact same thing on the other side of the coach too, and you have two of those. So with the Phaetons, you're sitting on a custom Freightliner raised rail chassis that is going to give you a lot of storage. It's going to be an extremely strong chassis as well. It's going to give you a really nice ride and handle. I did drive this motorhome, just get a feel for it. It was one of the quietest motorhomes I've ever driven. I was extremely impressed with that. I had hardly any wind noise, and that's very hard to find in motorhomes. And I had very little, if any at all. And that's one thing I was really impressed with. Now, one thing I like as well is going to be, this is going to be a full paint job. Their paint is absolutely perfect. You're not feeling the layers of the clear coat and whatnot. But one thing that I like the most is the way their slide outs are designed. You'll notice here, you don't have that normal ridge that you would typically have on a slide out. Reason being is because when this slides in, it's actually flush up against the wall. So you get a really nice fit and finish with these slides. It's very well built, very high end, like I said, and just a really great feature that you have there. So on the back side of the coach here, a few things I want to go over. First being, you do have a roof ladder for easy access up to your roof. This is going to be a 380 horsepower Cummins engine, so it's going to be an ISL 8.9 liter for you. Plenty of power, especially if you're going to be towing something behind you to get you through all those mountains and whatnot. And I did want to show you on this side where your power cord and everything was located. That will be a power reel for you, so you don't have to manually crank that in. It will be on a power system. And then I want to show you where your DEF fluid fill tank was. If you're not familiar with DEF, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to go over all that with you. If you have a coach that's 2010 and newer, or sorry, and older, you probably don't have the DEF fluid. It's a new additive that was on to help burn cleaner diesel. But just give me a call and I can go over more of that with you. Over here, I wanted to show you the convenience center, which is going to be your water hookups, your draining, water filter, and all that. That's usually a thing that most people who are shopping motorhomes is going to want to see, so I want to get in the video for you. You do have a water pump switch out here as well as inside too, but this is going to be where your water cord is going to be, your dump station, and then your water filter and everything there too. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of our pre-owned 2017 Tiffin Phaeton 40AH Class A diesel. If you have questions about the coach, about Tiffin, about us as a dealership, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to answer all that for you. Again, Veurink's RV Center here in beautiful Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're on South Division Street, just off of 131, very easy to get to. And we have a beautiful facility we built specifically for RVs. My name is Parker. If you found this video helpful, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, go to our Facebook page, like the page, and leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Thanks, guys.